Welcome to 207-209 Glebe Point Road. This project is the heritage refurbishment in the inner city in the suburb of Glebe. Now I'm sure our viewers would like to hear a little bit about the project and some of the challenges involved in the construction from our site manager Grant and our site foreman Matthew. Let's go inside and take a look. Grant, can you tell us a little bit about the challenges of building this project?
Being in the heart of Glebe, the access was limited, so the materials and handling caused us a bit of grief. Brick deliveries, steel deliveries, timber deliveries, just organising the bricklayers to come in and even the material for them, sand, cement, and then having the bricks on site was with limited access for them even just to be able to work around. Organising the deliveries for the steel, whether it was the reinforcement or the steel beams in the structure, getting the timber deliveries here to start, boom pump for the concrete pours after the bricklayers had finished each level.
Within this project, the front facade is heritage listed, given the structure's construction at the end of the 19th century. What are some of the most important aspects about working in a heritage environment?
The main challenges are just finding the right people to do the right job. Like the fireplaces, we had to find people to pull the fireplaces out, polish them back up to bring them to the original marble, fixing cornices that had been damaged, the staircases needing a French polisher to come in and do their bit. All the lace work was put aside, that all got put back together later on near the end of the job. A bit of work just to strip the paint and try and bring it back as best as we could.
So Matthew, you've been on site every day during this build. Can you tell us a little bit about the challenges of this project during a pandemic?
One of the challenges was having a limited amount of tradespeople on site to ensure physical distancing. We really had to consider this in the programming of our works. We had a COVID-19 management plan which we implemented on site, which required regular updating as the pandemic evolved. The pandemic and subsequent construction boom caused a shortage in building materials. It was really hard to get building materials to the site, such as structural timbers.
And then due to that, we had to make some changes to the design, didn't we, in order to keep the program going?
Correct, there was a lot of design changes here. We had to undertake a lot of tasks ourselves due to LGA lockdowns and labour shortages, just mainly because we couldn't get the building materials and we had to do a lot of this stuff ourselves.
At By Group, we're extremely proud of our ability to problem solve and deliver a project like this in the middle of a pandemic. This demonstrates our ability to always deliver on time, cost and quality.